Krabi from Bangkok, you need to take the plane, the van, and then the boat. So after arriving to Krabi, I took a private van on the spot, straight to the pier. And once you are there, you can buy the boat ticket. It's super easy. There's no fixed departure time for the boat. It usually leaves when they are around 10 people. Stay at Railay Princess Hotel Resort. The room is about 3,000 baht per night, including breakfast. It's simple and decent and with everything you need for a comfortable stay. So the space is clean, the bed is cozy. I think for the price, it's really good value.
I am on my balcony and look, I have a visitor here. We are on our way to Princess Bay. Princess Bay, you can reach there through the east side of Railay Beach. You can just walk along the beach, and then there will be a lot of sign to guide you there. On the Princess Bay, you also have a cave over there, so let's check it out. So on the way to the Princess Bay, you can see this climbing path to the lagoon. So with my condition this time, I'm gonna skip that, but go ahead. There is a rope that you can hold on to, but then the ground is so muddy. So make sure you come here during the dry season if you want to do that. It is such a pleasant walk. It's all in the shade, and you can enjoy the side view of the caves all along the path to the Princess Bay. Whoa. We have a visitor on the beach. This monitor lizard has been going around sniffing people's back, I think looking for the food. You might be wondering why this cave is full of carved wooden penises, and that's because these are believed that this cave is sacred. If you are asking for virility and fertility, all you need to do is to carve these penises and to put it in the water during the high tide anywhere in Krabi, and it says it's gonna end up right here in the Princess Cave. So there are a few tales about the Princess Cave as well. It says that it's an Indian princess that died during the shipwreck nearby, and her spirit lives here. So I think it's very interesting, and you can see there are so many carved wooden pieces of penises all around. Some of the donations that people do, it's also food and drinks. So they would just put some offering here at the entrance of the cave. And as you can see, we have a permanent residence here. I think it's the monitor lizard. I see a few of them that would go around, and some of them actually eat those foods that are being offered. this side of the island, it's more crowded than I remember last time when I was here. But it's the only side of the island that you don't see boats uh, in front of you. So it's more quiet, but at the same time, people would come here more because it's more relaxing, no boats around, and safer to swim, I guess. So this time it's high tide. Normally during the low tide you'll be able to walk up quite a distance off the beach and then you can explore a little bit some of the other limestone formation around. But I guess we have to make do for this time, but let me show you right behind me. Super crowded and it stretches all the way to the back.
Train planes and the bus for us, seeing the world.
We found this very cute spot right on the beach to have a drink and also have our lunch before we leave. And this spot is called the Sea and Sun. So you have your table right in front of the sea, very relaxing. And the smoothies are good and we cannot wait to try the food here. To get to Railay Beach, it's very simple. If you're coming from Bangkok, you can book a direct flight Bangkok to Krabi. And from the airport, I didn't pre-book anything in advance. You can just get a taxi at the airport, and also they can drop you at the ferry. They're gonna ask you whether you're leaving on the east side or the west side of Railay Beach, and they will drop you to the nearest pier. The cost for the taxi, we got a minivan actually for 4 people. It's 800 baht. But then if you are okay to wait until the minivan fill up, it's about 100 to 150 baht per person. And at the pier, then they are also selling the long-tail boats tickets from mainland Krabi to here at Railay Beach. It's about 100 baht per person. And once you're here, everything is walking distance and the island is very small. And to get back to Krabi airport, you don't need to book anything in advance either. You can buy the long-tail boat anywhere at the walking street or even at the pier. And it's gonna depart every 15 minutes or once they are about 10 people or more. This is it for our Railay Beach trip, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not a subscriber yet and you'd like to support my channel, please don't forget to do so. And it's always helpful if you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up and leave any comment below if you have any question about traveling to Railay Beach. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, you do the comments of this trip for me.
Last day is always the worst.
Oh yeah.
Wait for the sad trip home.
But a new adventure begins tomorrow.
Where are we going tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're going to Laos. Yes. So stay tuned for next video. It will be in Laos.
Sea view will be even better, I guess.
Oh, of course. We have an incredible sea view.